Hi everyone, it's Najwa here. Today I'm going to show you how I make lamb skewers with mango chutney and garlic naan. So first we're going to mix the water, yeast and sugar together. Here I'm using warm water. And goes the yeast and sugar. You want to mix it until the yeast dissolves. The reason we're putting sugar with yeast together is because basically sugar is what the yeast feeds on. Alright, so we're going to set this aside and let it bubble up. Alright, next we're going to put in the flour and straight into the mixing bowl. I'm using 3.5 cups. And salt. Now I'm going to add a couple cloves of garlic. Just going to put it through the press. You can mince it if you don't have the garlic press. Just going to mix this for a couple seconds on low. Oops, I haven't switched on mine. Alright. That's fine. Here I'm using the dough hook attachment. If you don't have a mixer, you can just use mix it with your hand, I guess. Now I'm going to put in the yogurt. Oopsie. Along with the yeast mixture, you can see that it has bubbled up, so it's good to go. Everything in. We're going to start mixing it on low first. And you can see it's nice and smooth, so that means it's done. I'm going to put some oil into the bowl, just so that the dough won't stick and it won't be hard for you to remove later on when it's risen. Just form it into a ball. Form it into a ball. And tuck it in, place it into the bowl. Then you're just going to cover it and let it rest for an hour. While the dough is rising, we're going to get started on the lamb skewers. So here I've got around 600 grams of thinly sliced lamb. You can see something like that. So we're going to start on the marinade. Here I've got some yogurt. some turmeric, chili powder and garam masala. And here I've got 2 cloves of grated garlic. In goes with salt. And pepper. And to that I'm going to add a couple handfuls of coriander. And some mint leaves as well. Just mix it thoroughly. You want to let it sit and marinate for at least 20 minutes. Ideally overnight. However, if you're on a time crunch, you can just do it half an hour to an hour. Okay, so while that's marinating, we're gonna start on the mango chutney. I'm gonna peel my mango here. Then some chili. Just going to use 1 this time for a bit of color and heat. Thinly slice the chilies. I'm going to grate in about 1 teaspoon of ginger. Next I'm going to add the juice of 1 lime. Add a bit of salt. And mix. And that's it, done. So next we're going to skewer the lamb. So these skewers, I've soaked them in water for about 30 minutes, just so that when it cooks it doesn't burn them right away. Just skewer about 3 to 4 pieces per skewer. So that's done. It's time to check on the bread. So it has been an hour. The dough has risen twice its size. And now you want to punch out the air. And take it out of the bowl. You want to dust your work surface with a little bit of flour. I'm going to divide it into 8, so kind of slice through it like a pizza. Divide into 8 half, quarters, and into 8. You want to shape it into rounds, each one of the dough. So once it's rolled out, you want to cover the rest of the dough balls, okay? And you can start rolling the first one out. You want to make sure you flour your surface as usual so that it doesn't stick. I'm going to roll this out into an oval. Now that's done, let's head over to the stove. Let's turn up the heat. And you want to heat up the pan so it's hot. Add some ghee. You see that it starts bubbling up like this. That means your naan is doing its thing. So now we're going to cook the lamb. Add a little dribble of oil. There we have it, lamb skewers with mango chutney and garlic naan. Try it for yourself, and if you enjoy it, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more easy to make recipes. Bang, asana?
Siap kan?
Dah.
Ish. Apa nama tu teh?
Lamb skewer, garlic naan.
Saya
Faham ah?
Cuman